Today I would like to share with you is you want to ban or you want to block the person. So what can you do? Okay, what can you do? Alright, so you can actually come to the business page. Okay, come back to your business page and you look at your left. Look at your left, it must be, you will see the manage page. Alright, you will see the manage page. Then you need to scroll down all the way to settings. Alright, you need to scroll down all the way to settings. You click on the settings. And then at the settings, you will see on the left here, okay, there is the people and other pages. Okay, people and other pages. People and other pages. I just click on the people and other pages. Alright. Okay, if let's say example, you think that okay, you want to delete this person. Okay, you want to delete this person. Alright, you just click on the person. And then you click on here, you click ban people and pages. Alright? Then you can ban the people. Okay? If let's say you like this channel, please subscribe our channel and click the button. Okay? And we will actually regularly update some small tips and to help you all how to actually manage better for your digital marketing or your Facebook page. Thank you very much. See you next time.